Today I will teach you how to make noodles with white cream sauce. Firstly, we need 1 whole canned mushroom. And then we need a can of ham, luncheon meat, and with less sodium. Poached egg, depending on how much people you're going to cook it for. A carton of whipped cream. A carton of chicken broth. And 2 packets of instant noodles, also depending on how much people you're going to cook it for. And lastly, a packet of parmesan cheese, shredded. Step 1. Open the can of whole canned mushrooms. Be careful that you don't cut your fingers with the sharp corners. Opened, it should look like this when you finish opening the can. Step 2. Get a strainer to drain all the water out from the can of mushrooms. Pour all the mushrooms on the strainer. Done! Step 3. Wash all the mushrooms on the strainer. Mix the mushrooms up. Alright, that's enough. Step 4. Cut all the mushrooms into a half. Beware while using the knife. Ta-da! Step 5. Put the mushrooms back into the strainer. Step 6. After turning on the fire, pour the mushrooms into the frying pan to fry after washing. Do not touch the fire or the pan. If the mushroom is stuck to the strainer, keep on shaking it. Step 7. Use the turner to stir the mushrooms. Stir until cooked. Step 8. Put the mushrooms into a plate. Step 9. Turn oven to 180 degrees and preheat oven for crispy cheese. Step 10. Open the canned ham, luncheon meat. Also, mind you don't cut your hands through the sharp corner. Step 11. Squeeze the ham and turn the can upside down to take the ham out of the can. Step 12. Slice the luncheon meat into 6 slices and cut it into smaller portions. Remember, be careful while using the knife. the ham into cubes. Step 13. Turn the fire on and pour all the ham into the frying pan. Stir until cooked. Step 14. Boil hot water. Your ham is ready. Step 15. Put the ham on kitchen tissue on a plate. Step 16. Boil hot water for poached egg. Step 17. Put parmesan cheese on a tray with baking sheet. Alright. Step 18. Put the parmesan cheese into the oven. Wait until crispy. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes. Step 19. Crack the eggs. Step 20. Slowly place the egg on a mini strainer and boil it in hot water. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 21. Take the egg out and place it on a plate. The parmesan must be ready. Step 22. Take the parmesan out of the oven. Check on the eggs. Step 23. Open the instant noodles and take the flavorings out. Step 24. Put the instant noodles in the boiling hot water. Time the instant noodles for about 1.5 minutes. Step 25. Mix the onions in the pan. Step 26. Open the carton of whipped cream. Step 26. Put the mushrooms in the pan and mix it up with the onions. Fry for 3 minutes. Step 27. Put the ham, chicken broth and whipped cream in the pan. Mix them up for 3 minutes. Herbs and dill weed leaves to make the taste more tastier. Step 28. Add into the pan. Step 29. After giving the instant noodles a quick stir, put it all on the plate. Step 30. Place the eggs on top of the noodles. Step 31. Put the parmesan cheese on the noodles after breaking them. Lastly, the dish is ready to be served.